Hi friends! Welcome to Ethan and Emma Daily English. Let's learn English through exciting adventures. Let's go! I'm so happy school is over. The science class was really fun today. I know, the weather is beautiful too. I think today is going to be a very special day.
Emma, wait a second. Did you see something shining under that tree?
Yes, I saw it too. Let's go and find out what it is.
This key looks very old. I wonder how long it has been here.
Maybe someone lost it many years ago. It doesn't look like an ordinary key. Look at those strange symbols. I've never seen letters like these before.
Maybe they're not letters. They could be clues. I searched everywhere, but nothing looks like this key.
Then maybe it's part of a mystery that no one has solved yet. Excuse me, sir. Have you ever seen a key like this?
Some people say it opens an old hidden door in the forest.
A hidden door? Really? Do you think we should go and see if the story is true?
Yes. If we stay together and be careful, we might discover something amazing. This forest is much bigger than I expected.
Don't worry. Let's keep looking carefully for anything unusual.
Emma, I think I found a hidden path.
Maybe this is where the mysterious key wants us to go. Look! The symbols on the door are exactly the same as on the key.
I think we finally found the place. Are you ready to see what is behind it? The key fits perfectly. I hope we're making the right decision.
Whatever happens, we'll face it together.
Go ahead and turn the key.
Did you see that? The symbols are glowing!
The door is opening. I can't believe this is real. This place has been hidden for a very long time.
Let's walk carefully. We don't know what's waiting inside. These paintings look hundreds of years old.
Someone wanted this place to remain a secret.
Only honest hearts may continue.
Did that statue just speak?
Stay calm. I think it's giving us a test.
The more you share me, the more I grow.
What am I?
That's a difficult question. Let's think carefully before we answer.
I think I know the answer. It's knowledge. The more you share knowledge, the more it grows.
That makes perfect sense. Let's tell the statue.
Your answer is correct. You may continue.
We did it! A secret staircase!
The adventure is just beginning. Everything down here feels older than I imagined.
I wonder who built all of this and why they hid it. Is that the treasure chest? It must be.
But something tells me this isn't the end of the mystery. I can't believe we finally found it. Let's open it very carefully.
I'm so excited! But I feel a little nervous too. I thought the chest would be full of gold.
Maybe this book is worth much more than gold. Look! The pages are glowing.
This isn't an ordinary book. It must be magical.
The greatest treasure is not gold. It is knowledge, kindness, and courage.
That's a beautiful message. Now I understand why this place was hidden. There's another map inside the book.
Maybe it's leading us somewhere even more amazing. This key looks completely different.
I think we'll need it very soon. The key is showing us something.
There must be another hidden room. Another secret door!
This adventure keeps getting better. I've never seen crystals this beautiful.
Everything here feels magical.
Welcome, young explorers.
Did the owl just speak?
I think this place is full of surprises.
Only those who help others deserve the greatest treasure.
We'll always choose kindness.
That's a promise. That's a promise.
Follow the light, and you'll discover the final secret.
Let's keep going.
I'm ready.
The light is leading us somewhere.
Let's stay close together. This place is even more beautiful than the forest.
It's like a hidden world. This tree looks alive.
Maybe it's protecting this place.
Kindness opens every door.
We've heard that lesson before.
Maybe that's the true treasure.
Take this gift and use it wisely.
We'll protect it. Thank you. We'll protect it.
I think it's time to go home.
We've learned so much today. It feels like we were gone for hours.
But everything looks exactly the same.
It looks like our adventure isn't over yet.
I can't wait to discover our next mystery.
This map shows another hidden place.
Maybe this is our next adventure.
Grandpa, look! We found the secret map inside the book.
It shows the way to another hidden world.
I have seen these symbols before. They belong to an ancient place hidden beyond the mountains.
Is it dangerous?
We should be prepared for anything this time.
You're right. A real explorer always plans ahead. These mountains are even bigger than they looked on the map.
But we didn't come this far to give up. Look at those symbols. They match the ones from the book.
Then we must be in the right place. This tunnel looks like it hasn't been visited for many years.
Let's keep going. The map brought us here for a reason. A hidden library inside a mountain? This is incredible.
Imagine how many secrets are written in these books. This book tells the story of the people who built this place.
Maybe they left these clues for someone like us.
The key is glowing again.
That means we found another secret. Looks like we have another challenge to solve.
Together, we can figure it out. The symbols are connecting.
We solved it because we worked together. This isn't just treasure, it's a collection of history.
The knowledge here is more valuable than gold.
The greatest explorers are those who seek knowledge and help others.
That's exactly what we believe too.
We found something much bigger than a treasure.
We found a story worth sharing. This adventure changed the way I see the world.
And I know we'll discover many more mysteries.
You found the true treasure.
The journey taught us more than we expected.
Maybe other people can learn from our adventure. Every mystery has a lesson hidden
inside. Are you ready for our next adventure?
Always. Let's discover it together.